Hi, good morning, everyone. So here we have the full name of the customer, Vipin Narayanan. Okay, and that's me. And we want to extract the first name, which is Vipin. Okay, and the last name, which is Narayanan. Okay, so that's the requirement. Okay, so basically we need to extract the first name and last name from the full name of the customer. Okay, that's the requirement. So let's see how we can do that using Fusion. Okay, so let's add a module, choose module, tools, okay, tools, set multiple variables, okay, and let's say var full name, var full name, okay, and that's going to be Vipin Narayanan, right? Add, okay, this is my full name, so now let's go and create another module, tools, okay, tools, set multiple variables, okay, and let's say var full name, okay, so we need sorry, var first name, okay, we need to extract the first name first, okay, so the idea is basically to split the full name into two pieces, okay, first name and last name, okay, and then extract the first name out of it, okay, and then extract the second name out of it, okay, so that's the idea. Okay, let's see how we can do that. So let's try to split it into two pieces, split, okay, and then split function. Let's use a split function. The first parameter is going to be the input, okay, and the second parameter is going to be the separator, okay. So the full name is separated by um, the first name and last name are separated by a space, right? So the separator is going to be the space, okay? So input is going to be what? Input is basically the var full name there, okay? Let's add it inside this actually. Our full name, okay, and the separator is going to be space, okay, because the first name and last name are separated by a space, okay, so just add a space here. So let's select, go to T, and then let's say space. um okay, let's add the space there. Let's click on add. Let's try to run this and see the output first of all. So let's run it, okay, and the output is here, okay, and now it's split into two pieces, Vipin and Chain Ryan. Now we need to extract the first name, okay, Vipin. How do you do that? We need to extract the first piece basically, or the first index of the array. If you see this, this is an array, right? If you see this, this is an array, and the first index of the array is the first name. The second index of the array is going to be the last name, okay. Let's now extract the first index of the array, okay. So how do you do that? Using a get function, okay, get, okay, and the input of the get function is this, okay. The second parameter of the get function is going to be the index, okay, so we need the first index, okay. Now let's save it, let's click on OK there, okay. Let's try to run it here, okay. Now here you go, the first name is Vipin, right? Now let's also add the second name, var second name, okay. It's going to be the same thing. Let's actually copy paste the whole expression here, control A, control C, okay, and let's paste it here, okay. So basically we want the second index, okay, or the second piece, okay, of this of the value that we have split, okay, second piece or second index, let's say. Save it, let's click on OK there. Let's save it and let's run it here. Here we go. So we got the first name and the last name of the customer. Okay, so you might also face similar situations where you need to extract the first name and last name of a particular person in your mapping. Okay, in the input, you'll get the full name of the customer, and in the output, you might want to extract the first name and the last name. Okay, you can um, perform this kind of mapping in your situation scenario. Okay, I hope this was helpful. Have a great day.